Look at both words. See if you can find the word jumping. Which word says jumping?
The children are jumping.
Now, see if you can find the word nose. Try to touch your nose with one hand and point to the word nose with the other hand. See if you can find the word chimpanzee. Point to the word chimpanzee, then act like a chimpanzee. Here's a chimpanzee and the word chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is swinging. The chimpanzee is swinging. The elephant is standing. The elephant is standing. Now let's find the word up. The word up is going up, up, up. The word down is going down, down, down. Look for the word flat. You point to the word flat. Let's figure out what word says properly. Which word do you think says properly? Hayden is properly. Can you touch the word?
No.
Keelan is touching her nose. Can you close your eyes? Keelan and Hayden are closing their